Hey guys, welcome again. So this is Muhammad from Technivix, and today I'm gonna show you how do you create a user in M365 Admin Center and how do you assign a license so that the user is ready to enjoy the Office 365 services just like Outlook, Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, etc. So here I'm logged in M365 Admin Center. Here you have an option of users. Here I have an option of active users. I will go and I will click on add a user. Now here in add a user, I'm gonna give a name. So name of that user is James. Display name is James. And once again, James, and I'm gonna choose my domain, which is technivix.com. Here you see two options. Either you create the password automatically and that will be shared with that user. And then you have another option that says require the user to change their password when they first sign in. That means whatever the password you create here, if you choose this option, as soon as that user will try to log in, he will be prompted to change the password. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set a password and I don't want to change that password. So I'm gonna give one password. Okay, it should be strong. And then next. Here it is asking me to assign a license. I am using Microsoft 365 E5, so I'm going to assign a license. With this license, you are going to enjoy 76 type of application, which is associated with your M365 E5 license, right? So I'm good here. Next, review your information. Since this user is just a normal user in my company, I'm not going to give him any kind of administrator access. Profile information, this is completely optional. If that user is part of accounts, then here you can give his department, his mobile number, and any kind of country or um, city, state, or the postal code, but this is completely optional, so I'm not going to fill anything. I will click next and review the information what you have provided and then finish adding. Now this user is being created. Here you can see adding user. Once this user is added successfully, what we can do, we can go ahead and check whether this user can log in. Sometime it may take couple of minutes or maybe up to 2 hours of time, or in a very rare scenario, it may take 24 hours of time to provision the user. If it is taking longer than that, then probably there is a problem in provisioning and you need to troubleshoot accordingly. Okay, well, now, so here you can see the user is created, James. If I open his profile, then here you can see this is the email address of James. Now, the next step is let's go ahead and sign in to ensure that that user is able to sign in and open all Office 365 services. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to type portal.office.com, and here I'm going to enter the credential of James at technivix.com, and then enter the password. Okay, accept it, click on yes. Now here you will see the list of Office 365 services. So here, this is the home page or the home portal. If I will click on apps, then here you will actually see the list of application which are associated with Microsoft 365 E5 license. So if I open Outlook, then here you can see now, James has got the capability to start sending and receiving email. I can open Viva Engage for him, and I can open all other services which are there with this M365 license. So, well, that's it in this one, and I hope to see you in the next one.